CAD Swiss. Okay, so price coming back up slowly but surely, probably headed to this zone that I marked out. The CAD currency is getting stronger across the board, and this seems to be retracing perfectly, just probably slow and steady. I mean, if you wanted to get in on something here, you probably could. Let's see what we do here. I would find an area of resistance. It's not really a good one here, but you could go off of one of these candles. So something like this. If you wanted to get in on this now, you could. You can see the bullish momentum coming in. It had all its rejection at this previous area. You can see the bulls have re-entered the market, so like this is a good time to enter now. And then you just want to set your stop. If you were to set a stop, you want to set it at one of these lows, because there's a chance that price retests, like tomorrow retests one of these lows. But if you keep the stop below these previous candles lows, there's a better chance that you won't get stopped out. And you still get a decent R, like you get a 3R right now, 3.3 if you want to take it now, or wait for it to come back a little bit to a whole level, or yeah, whatever really makes sense to you in your trading strategy. This is just kind of my philosophies when it comes to trading, but this is something that I would take if I didn't have a bunch of other trades open.